in less than 10 seconds we can find 232 into 11. Now first, as it is bring down 2, right? Then next 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, and again bring down as it is 2. So 2 5 5 2 is the answer. Next, second question. 3 4 6 2 into 11 is equal to how much? Now same thing, bring down 2 as it is. Now 2 plus 6 is equal to 8, and 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So 10, this is 2-digit number, so I'm writing here 0 and 1 carry over here. Now 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Now finally we have to bring down as it is 3, so 3 8 0 8 2 is the answer. Next, third example we will answer. 5 6 7 2 1 into 11 is equal to how much? Now bring down as it is 1. Now 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. So this is 2-digit number. So right here 3 and 1 carry over here. Now 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. Again 2-digit number. So 2 and 1 carry. Now finally 5 plus 1 is 6. So 6 2 3 9 3 1 is the final answer. Next, fourth example we will see. 3 2 0 4 2 1 3 into 11 is equal to how much? As it is bring down 3. Now 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 1 plus 3 is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, and finally bring down 3 as it is. So 3 2 0 4 2 1 3 into 11 is equal to 3 5 2 4 6 3 4 3 is the final answer. Next example we will see. 6 2 0 3 4 2 3 4 into 11 is equal to how much? Now as it is bring down 4. Now 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Now 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. And finally bring down 6 as it is. So 6 2 0 3 4 2 3 4 into 11 is equal to 6 8 2 3 7 6 5 7 4. Next example we will see. 7 8 9 7 6 into 11 is equal to how much? So according to our rule, first bring down as it is 6. Now 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. So 3 and 1 carry here. Now 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. So 7 and 1 carry here. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. So 8 and 1 carry here. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. So 6 and 1 carry here. Finally 7 plus 1 is 8. So bring down as it is. 7 plus 1 is 8. So 8 6 7 8 7 3 6 is the final answer. Now seventh example we will see now. 9 3 2 6 8 9 7 into 11 is equal to how much? So first bring down 7. Now 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. So 6 and 1 carry here. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 8 18. So 8 and 1 carry here. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. So 1 carry here. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. Now 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. So 1 carry because this is 2-digit number. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So 1 0 2 5 9 5 8 6 7 is the answer. And next example we will see 1 2 4 5 6 7 3 0 9 2 4 6 into 11 is equal to how much? Now 6 bring down 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. This is 2-digit number, so 0 and 1 carry. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 2 plus 9 is equal to 11, so 1 and 1 carry I am writing. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 10 plus 0 is equal to 10 only, so 0 and 1 carry. Now 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 3, 4. So writing here 4. Now 3 plus 7 is equal to 10, 2 digit. So 0 and 1 carry. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. So 4 and 1 carry. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. So 2 and 1 carry. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. Again 2-digit number, so 0 and 1 carry. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Now 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, and finally bring down 1. So 1 2 4 5 6 7 3 0 9 2 4 6 into 11 is equal to 13702404017006 is the final answer.